Aloha folks, this is Aaron with Hawaii Music School, and today I'm going to teach you a song on the Baritone Ukulele. And the song is entitled Ulupalakua. Now before we get into the song though, I want you guys to know that I live in a place called Mililani, Hawaii, which is in the center of the island of Oahu. And we're right next to an Air Force base, so I often have loud jets flying overhead. I am also the owner of 10 dogs, so they do get pretty barky. And I have neighbors who tolerate my 10 dogs, so I tolerate the noise that they make too. So if there are any noise interruptions, please excuse the noise interruptions. Filming at home does have some issues, so bear with me and we'll get through this one, okay? So again, the song is entitled Ulupalakua, and it sounds like this. Kalona maine a Ulupalakua, hei niki niki ahi ahi, ka home o paniolo. Kalona maine a Ulupalakua, hei niki niki ahi ahi, ka home o paniolo. Ona me ka wapuhi, he beauty ma ole no. E mehi e kulei, a Ulupalakua. Ona me ka wapuhi, he beauty ma ole no. Haina mai ka puana a Ulupalakua, hei niki niki ahi ahi, ka home o paniolo. Okay, something like that. And wow, less noise than I thought, although he's starting up right now. So let's get into the chords. Okay, so the first thing is, I'm doing this in the key of G, and on the baritone ukulele, a C on a regular ukulele is a G chord. Instead of being an F chord, that's a C. Okay, so it's a musical fourth apart. But what we're gonna do is break down the chords so it's real easy to play. So in the beginning, we did a turnaround, right? Where we did D7, G. So. And all we're going to do is just strum it for now. And so what I'm doing to strum is I'm going, so downstroke, and then I do what's called a rake or a drag, right? And I drag up, and then I go down. So, and back up, yeah? And then when I go to the G, and I repeat. So the strum goes like this. And it repeats. Okay, so that's going to be our strum. And we're going to use that. Let's just go with that strum for now throughout the whole song. So it's going to be D7 and G. And again, the D7 looks like this. So finger number 2 is going to be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Finger number 1 is going to be on the 2nd string, 1st fret. and finger number 3 is going to be on the bottom string, 2nd fret. Okay? To G, which is our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And we're going to do that twice as the beginning. Now, when we go to the words, all I'm doing is going from G to G7. So from that 3rd finger, I change it to my 1st finger on the 1st fret. Then I go to the C chord, and that's going to be my 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, my 2nd finger all the way up here on the top. Back to G. And then we go to the E7 chord, which is 1st finger onto the 3rd string, 1st fret. Okay. So going from there. And this is an A7 chord. Okay. So E7. A7 is going to be finger number 2 on the top, finger number 3 on the 2nd string. Back to the beginning. And then we just do that. And then we go to the 2nd verse. And then when we get to the hyena, it's pretty much just hyena mai kapuana, and then the 2nd half of the 1st verse. And if you want to find the lyrics, huapala.org is a very good website for that. Another thing you can do is buy the book. It's called Hemele Aloha, and it's a very good book. I think it's in a different key in the book, though. But that's Ulupalakua on the Baritone Ukulele. Now, if you want the full lesson with the picking and all that stuff, then go to my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. And right now we have a free trial membership, so you can get on there and try it out for 2 weeks. And as usual, if you like this lesson and you like the song and stuff like that, go ahead, like the video, and please subscribe. All right, guys, aloha, mahalo.